Yabona njengamanje siphila esikhathini esibi futhi le nyanga nje kaJuly inyanga nje umuntu ayibheka ayizile kahle nganza kwethu.
Hey bafike lo July uyabona kodwa lo esikuona. Hayi into ongayazi.
Bafethu why uJuly ahlanga so?
Ukwazi bani?
Lo July lo awufuna ukuphela kahle awufuna ukuphela.
Even today, like today, it's still July.
Eksasa kusawu July.
Hayibo, inhloboni kaJuly le.
This July doesn't wanna end. I don't know what's going on.
uJuly phela uyosasibamba inkunzi. uJuly uyosasiqhekezela silalise phansi sikhiphani yonke into.
Into esoyithini le.
From here we go straight to December.
Bafethu ngama July usungaphela bafethu. And sonke sovumelana kule ukuthi uJuly bafethu ubile inyanga enkulu. Ayikho futhi inyanga esafana noJuly.
Ngazwaskile uJuly ngiyaqala ukubona inyanga ebheda kanje.
Next year no keep nje uJuly calendar ayikho phela into enje.
It's literally been July for like the past 3 months. But nakusasa kuzobe kusawu July.
Enye into engiphetula umoya leyo. Namhlanje ngathi 49 July kusasa 50.
Honestly, it's been July the whole year, bro.
Hayina nokuthi uyaphela ke namhlanje. Today is the last day of July. Tomorrow is also not the last day.
It's been July for the past 2 months. Nah.
It's been July the whole year, bro.
I've been in July for my whole life.
Ngazi ukuthi kutrende into engakhi nje every week, every day of July.
Sekuyilezi nje masiphilela lezi. So banesifo sokubabaza, ibabaza disease.
Yabona lo July awusaluphela. Seku right.
Akambe asamfuni.
Ngiyafuna ukuthi uJuly aphele, but when I look at iandlal eziphume just this month alone.
Hey bo.
uJuly nje kuningi. A lot has been happening.
Hayi kuningi sikubonile, kuningi sikufundile kuJuly. Uyazazi gemegeme nezigaxa.
Bafethu thina sibancane for le drama enzakalayo. Kunini sibabaza?
Wazwa inkinga uJuly.
3 decades. We've been in July for 3 decades now.
Dude, July has been so long that some of you guys were still teenagers. Yabona boba fa sebenentshebe manje. Babe ngenalutho ngomhla ka1.
I really want uJuly ukuthi aphele, nami ngiyafuna ukuthi uJuly we forget, but asibekezele 3 weeks. Ngicela sinikeni uJuly just 3 more weeks sibekezele.
July awushongo uzobuya. Wanyiwa.
Hey, wanyiwa.
Guys, no. It was cute at first, but now July, wrap it up, my baby.
Wrap it up, my dear. Wrap it up, please.
Wrap it up, bro.
Asidubulele ma cricket sibonge. Lenyanga asihlonipheli, ingahambi njengenyanga letifana naletinye nje tinyanga. Ihlukile special. Asidubulele ma cricket.
3, 2, 1.
No one here is safe.
Tango.